Okay, so quick impromptu video. Any idea what's going on behind me? This isn't sped up now or anything. It's just... Oh shit. What are they doing? Can I prove it's not sped up? Where's my hand? Oh, ha! Oh, fuck. You bastard. Get out. Where'd you go? You little fuck you. How cool is that? Like a fucking wildlife sanctuary. Oh, and he's gone. Fuck him anyway. I'll be better set up the next time I try and do something like this, he said confidently. Now, back to what I originally tried to watch. Fuck. Are they washing themselves? There's nothing but dry, dusty ground in there. And the rabbits do dig it up, presumably eating the roots. So, something tells me that do chickens dig holes? They're called dust bowls. And are these birds hijacking the dust bowls, essentially, that the rabbits have dug? And are somehow washing themselves? Does it get rid of fucking fleas or ticks or something? I don't know, but let me know in the comments.